Examiner number is something. All my line. Both line has no crack, no damage, rubber, no cut, no damage. Good condition. My air line, my electrical line, nothing stuck between, good condition. My legs are well mounted. My fifth wheel has no crack, no damage, well greased, release pin melts and will out. My jaws are open, 4 flashes are working, my way is cleared. Fifth wheel has no crack, no damage. Now I'm gonna back up my truck with 2 city humps. Under brakes are applied, transmission is neutral. My fifth wheel and trailer height is good for coupling. My trailer lines have no crack, no damage, well mounted, rubber, no cut, no damage. All electrical pins are present, wires no cut, no damage. The sticker is valid. My upper plate and kingpin has no crack, no damage, it's well greased, and it's aligned to the fifth wheel. Now I'm gonna do my coupling. That's good. Good. My brakes are applied, transmission is neutral. My release pin is in, center bolt is in. My jaws are locked around the kingpin. Examiner, there's no delay. Examiner, my 4 flashes are working, lines are connected well. I'm going to check my trailer grease. To release my trailer brake, wait for gauges to be stable. Examiner, my gauges are stable. No leak outside. My gauges are still stable. Now I'm going to check the service line. Gauges are stable. No leakage outside. My gauges are still stable. Examiner, the sound means my trailer lines are connected well. Now I'm going to up the landing gear. remove my wheel chocks. Examiner, my coupling uncoupling is done.